On the Senate on Wednesday as it turns into a quasi-judicial chamber, as Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua will be facing his trial before a plenary. The Deputy President's legal team and the National Assembly's legal team have all complied and delivered hard copies of their evidence to the clerk of the Senate. And as Stephen Leto reports, it is a marathon hearing for the Senate that will have to make its decision on whether to impeach Gachagua or not by close of business Thursday.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is a man on the cross. The day of reckoning awaiting him at the Senate starting Wednesday morning. At exactly 9 a.m., the senators are required to have taken their seats at the Senate chambers. They will be going for a pre-hearing meeting that will take about 1 hour according to a schedule released by the Senate. The closed-door session is termed a pre-trial hearing. The senators at 10 a.m. will then go into preliminaries that will entail recital of the mandate of the Senate, rules of procedure and hearing program, as well as introduction of members of the National Assembly representing the National Assembly and their council. And finally, introduction of the Deputy President and the council representing the Deputy President. The National Assembly will be represented by Kibwezi West lawmaker Mwengi Ekomas Mutuse, who is the mover of the impeachment motion. Rarieda lawmaker Otiende Amolo, Justice and Legal Affairs Committee Chairperson George Murugara, Homa Bay Town lawmaker Peter Kaluma, and Kandui legislator John Makali. From 10:30 to 11 a.m., Clerk of the Senate Jeremiah Nyegenye will read the charges against the Deputy President and then put the question to him on whether he is guilty or not. Thereafter, the two sides will each be given half an hour to make their opening statements. After the opening statements, the marathon hearings will kick off, with the National Assembly allocated 3 hours to prosecute Gachagua and 2 hours for the Deputy President to cross-examine his accusers. At 7:30 p.m., the Senate adjourns, awaiting Thursday, the final day. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV, Nairobi.